Oh, hi. I don't know if you heard, but I'm out of Cambodia. And I'll tell you how. I found an American in Cambodia. I had to wait 2 days because he had 2 tickets and he was staying for 2 more days. His friend couldn't come with him, and he saved the ticket for me. So I went back to America with him. And now I'm back here, my home in Jackson, New Jersey. It's a big blizzard. I think people are guarding my house, like, pretty far so my parents don't see them. So I better be careful. Oh! I have a gun, but it doesn't have much ammo in it. And I found my old sled that I left here 2 years ago. And I guess I had no choice but to ride it down. I'll do it. Okay. Everything's fine. Might as well go check something else out. Here's my driveway. Alright. I just saw some movement from there. What the? Now, you cannot go in that house. Only your parents, your sister, and your Japanese girlfriend. Not you. I'm gonna have to beat you out here to death. Come on. You know what, Haley? My answer to that is I just don't care. Oh! Go back to Langley Falls, you tree-hugging prostitute. Holy crap! She's still alive! Yes! Damn it! You bastard! Got you now. Oh, no, I got you. What are you doing? You would not hit a girl. Nope, I want to hit a girl with my bare hands. I am sick of Tails' minions. Sick of it. Sick of it. Well, another dead one. Another one of Tails' minions bites the dust. In the snow. I have to tell my friends about this. Tails was my best friend, and now I need to know what I did to him. Oh, crap. Crap, there's ice. Well, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you guys later.